Welcome and welcome back to the channel Hum of Programming. In today's session, we are going to learn about arrays and enumerations in C#. First, we can learn about enumeration. After that, we can move on to arrays. So, enumerations is nothing but a value-based data type which assign symbolic names to a integral constants, right? For example, we can assign values of integers such as 0, 1, 2 as certain symbolic names, which is to create enumeration you should use the keyword enum followed by name of the enumerator. So here I am using the name of the enumerator as practices, which is user defined. So inside it we can define any set of values. For example, placement guidance, career opportunities, certification courses, right? So here our enumerator name is practices, which is having a set of 3 values: placement guidance, career opportunities and certification courses, right? So you should not end enumerator with semicolon, right? So this is a way of declaring your enumerators. So how we can access these values is we can create an instance for enumerator, right? So here our enumerator name is practices. So let us create an instance for that particular enumerator. Let's say P, which is equal to enumerator dot any set of values, placement guidance. So in this way you can use or access your enumerators. So how we can pass values of these enumerators? As I told you before, enumerator assigns string value to integral constants, right? So we have to convert this string value into integer data type. So for example, I am declaring a variable value of integer data type and I am going to assign certain value of the enumerator. So practices dot career opportunities. So here practices, this enumerator is of string, right? So this particular enumerator contains certain string values for integral constants, right? Hence we have to convert this enumeration type into integer, right? So which is known as casting. So why we are casting is, without casting there will be a conflict to convert integer type into enumerator type, right? So for that reason we are casting the integer value here, right? So one more thing to note about your enumeration is the starting index value of your enumeration is 0. For example, here int value is equal to practices dot career opportunities. At this instant, the value variable will be 1. So let us print and examine it, right? So for printing, we can use the statement console dot write line of. So now we can run the program. So here our value is 1, which is the value assigned for the string career opportunities. So in this way we can use enumerators. So the only difference between your arrays and enumerator is, array is a collection of similar set of data type. If you are declaring an array variable called A of integer data type, that particular array variable A can contain only integer constants, right? And we can access the value of array using for loop, but here that is not possible in case of an enumeration. So right, let's move on to creating arrays. So as you know very well that arrays stores set of similar data type, right? So to declare an array, the syntax used by C# is data type of followed by your array name. So write here a is an array variable of type integer. So this is one way of declaring an array. Alternatively, you can also define the size of an array in declaration itself, right? So this particular array variable can contain up to 5 values starting from 0, right? So here what we can do is we can prompt the user to enter some value for this particular array variable A and we can print it, right? So use the statement console dot write line of enter array values. So using for loop we can read the values of an array, right? So for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus this. So inside it we can use the console dot read line of statement, right? So before reading that we have to convert array value into integers. So a of I is equal to convert dot to int 32. So as we have declared the array variable of integer data type, right? So now we have read the value for array variable and we can print it, right? So here what I have done is we can print the values of array as array of index is equal to some particular value, that is array of 0 is equal to 1. So if the user has entered the starting value as 1, right? So let's run this program. So enter array values. So the array values of array of 0 is equal to 1, 1 equal to 0. That is the entered values, right? So if we want to sort this, we can sort this also. So right, this is about enumeration and arrays in C#. If you are having any queries regarding this particular series, you can post your queries in comment section. So this is about the today's session. And if you want to learn more about programming, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.